Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about string formatting. So let's see what is it. The format of method allow you to format select part of string. So it will help you to select the part of the string that is required. Sometimes there are parts of a text that you do not control. Maybe they come from the database or user input. So there are few kinds of text that are available that we are not able to control that text. Why? Because it is coming from the database or user input. These are the kind of terms. Okay. To control such values, add placeholder. We can add the placeholder to control such values. Okay. So curly braces can be used in the text and run the value through the format of method. So this is the method. How can you do that? Fine. So let me just show you some example here. For example, right now I'm writing price equal to 250, text equal to the price of item is, and something I want to write in this curly braces. That is called string formatting. Okay. After that, I'm writing rupees. Okay, rupees I have not mentioned, so I am just writing like that only. Fine. Next thing I am going to write is print bracket text dot format of, and I have mentioned the bracket here. In that I will just mention the price. Okay, let me run this code. Once you run this code, you will automatically get the price equal to 250 over there. You haven't mentioned over there, but you are getting over there. So let me just mention one more thing here. What if I'm writing something there? So you will automatically get the .00. That is how you can write it. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you.